Effective strategies for learning Polish and other languages, Part 9. Don't forget to watch the previous videos. Idea 35. Flashcards. What flashcards are, you also know very well, but do you use them properly? Some people use them to learn words. Okay, maybe it's a tactic, but I recommend you use my flashcards on YouTube. Extra Slow Polish. If you would like any topic, please let me know and I will create that topic for you. Idea number 36. 5 times 5 method. Since we are on the subject of flashcards, I will quickly tell you about my 5 times 5 method. You choose 5 words you want to learn and make flashcards, or use my flashcards from YouTube. Every day you learn another 5 words for the next 5 days. On the 6th day, you repeat all the words of the week. On the 7th day, you repeat all, but still only those 25 from the preceding week, and so on. See table. At this rate, you will learn 100 words in a month. Idea 37. Teach others. You can understand an issue when you can explain it in simple words to other person. It would be great if you had the opportunity to teach the language to your siblings or someone else. In this way, by preparing to explain certain issues to others, we come to understand the topic better ourselves. I have been observing this myself since I help others learn Chinese, Polish, German, and Russian. Of course, there are a lot of ways to learn a language. I tried to choose the ones that I personally checked and tested. Now it is your turn. Remember, try to choose 1 to 2 methods and automatically test them. Tick the ones you found helpful. I am very glad that you took the time to listen to all of the videos. Remember that whenever you have a problem with something, you can write to me. Also, let me know if these tips were helpful. Stay in touch. To wszystko na dzisiaj. Do zobaczenia.